they die for Bokos. This is not the first time. I came to Jos last year. People died on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. People died. I went to Bokos. I carried people's bones. People were burnt in a car, bro. You think I'm talking? I'm talking to your governor anyhow. You think I'm talking because I'm happy? I be saying until I come from Jos before I talk. These are Nigerians. If we don't talk about Jos, it goes to the next state. It goes to the next state. Next thing, Nigeria become unbearable. Because I talk about your governor, you are angry. Are you mad? God punish you and the governor. Alright, so I'll try to be very calm in this video because I'm fucking upset right now, right? You see the problem with this country, right? You see tribalism and Stockholm syndrome, they affect a lot of us, right? So, right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm in Jos, right? I just landed Jos today. Wetin carry me come Jos because of the killing where they happen for Jos. They killed a lot of people in Bokos. They killed a lot of people in Bassa. So I said, okay, you know what? As I come, I'll go give them relief materials. Then ask them some questions. They ask them some things, you know, make we know what they happen, right? As I touch Jos, as I just touch down Jos, first of all, inside the plane, you get one woman where face they look me with bad eye. When she came down, because of the armies and the police where they wait for her, I realized she should be a politician, but I didn't give a flying F about her, right? So as I come down and they wait for my car, that's how some people did my front, about 6 of them. They start to talk, say, Bashine, Zage governor, ba. Like, nobody, this guy saw the governor, they call the momo. Cut long story short, the car will come, the car carry me, I go, right? Next thing, this evening, somebody I respect so much invited me somewhere. Coincidentally, there are some people there that are loyal to the governor, right? Now, obviously, they are angry about the video that I did about the governor. According to them, I insulted the governor, right? So I reached there, I shake the first person's hand. As I want to shake this particular guy hand, the guy bounced my hand. The guy just looked me up and down. Come east. I just looked at him and I told him, I said, you bounced my hand because you feel so I insult your governor. I said, you bounced my hand in public because you feel so I insult your governor, bro. Do you think I just woke up in the morning and started talking about your governor? I spoke because people are dying, bro. I spoke because a lot of people are dying. They are leaving a lot of kids without parents. I did Jos, Mona kill me, Mona come shoot me. I did for the Jos. God punish everybody, punish the governor, Joy. If they cannot do anything about the killing in Jos, then fuck everybody in Jos. Stockholm syndrome. So because, okay, yes, because you're a politician, so if something go wrong, nobody should talk. Tribalism don't finish us. Religion don't finish us. Tomorrow they come out, bro. Now let me come Jos. I know they work out with security. Come and meet me, yeah? You may not go back home alive. God punish you. God punish you. Shame on all of you. God punish APC, punish PDP, punish all the political parties, punish all the politicians that are using the life of the people in Jos to play politics. Fuck everybody, bro. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I know you will see it. And like I said, fuck you, fuck the governor, fuck everybody, fuck Nigeria, fuck the president, all of you. People are evil.